Happy Friday, everyone. It's Fun Friday time. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the world of Microsoft Exchange email setup. If you've ever felt like setting up your email is like solving a Rubik's Cube, fear not. We've got you covered in just 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your email app. It's usually that little envelope icon or the one that looks like a gear. Tap on Add Account. We're about to make some email magic happen. Step 2. Choose Exchange from the list. If you don't see it, don't panic. Just scroll down and give it a tap. You're doing great. Step 3. Now, enter your full email address. Double check for typos. No one wants their emails going to the wrong place. Your password goes next. If it asks for a domain, just check with your IT team at 303tech or leave it blank. Easy peasy. Step 4. Hit Next and watch the magic. Your app will try to automatically discover your server settings. This is like waiting for your favorite show to buffer. Just a few seconds. If it doesn't work, don't sweat it. Step 5. For a manual setup, you'll need your server address and maybe a domain. Your IT buddy at 303tech can help you with this. The server usually looks like outlook.office365.com. Enter those details like a pro. Once you've got everything in, hit Next or Finish, and, drumroll please, if all goes well, you'll see a success message. Your email is now syncing. Woohoo! And there you have it. You're now an Exchange email setup superstar. Troubleshooting. If it doesn't work, check your internet connection, verify your password, and make sure your account isn't locked. Still stuck? Reach out to your IT support superhero at 303tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Friday tips and tech hacks. At 303tech, we keep you simply connected. Have a fantastic weekend.